The patient is placed in the supine position. This is the right leg. A shaver blade is used to debride synovium, and a probe is used to check the type and scope of meniscus tear. We find this is a patellite tear of lateral meniscus. A basket pliers is used to trim the shape of meniscus and remove excess tissue. A shaver blade is used to freshen the torn edge of meniscus and capsule to enhance the healing potential. We locate the puncture position through the center point of the brightest part of the skin under arthroscopy. A spinal needle is inserted into the joint from outside to inside and passes through the upper surface of meniscus tear. A steel wire is sent into the cavity through the external opening of spinal needle. We fix the steel wire using meniscal forceps and pull out the spinal needle. The spinal needle is inserted again through the same skin punch point. A absorbed suture is introduced between the two steel wires. We repeat the puncture process using spinal needle and steel wire. We fix the steel wire using mosquito forceps, and the two steel wires along with the suture are put from outside to inside, then outside. A knot is made outside of capsule after string suture. We make a sound reducing the knot outside the capsule. We examine the meniscus again to ensure repaired site is stable and effective.